You're watching How Leap. Let's schedule messages on Instagram to send later. Instagram does not have a built-in scheduling feature for direct messages. You must use a third-party social media management tool. Platforms like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Later support scheduling Instagram posts, but not direct messages. For automated direct messages, business accounts can use the welcome message feature in Instagram Professional Dashboard to send an auto reply when someone messages you first, but not a scheduled DM to schedule a standard DM. You currently have to send it manually. The best workaround is to set a reminder in your phone's calendar or Notes app for the time you want to send the message, then open Instagram and send it yourself at that time. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.